One day, Mr. Jeer saw that a bridge was broken.
I need some volunteers to fix it. I will ask my peers for help,
he thought. Most of Mr. Jeer's peers were reindeer. They lived in the deer house on a sheer cliff.
Hello, friends,
he yelled.
Hello, Mr. Jeer,
said the reindeer.
The bridge is broken. Will you help me fix it?
asked Mr. Jeer.
Sure. We will always help Mr. Jeer,
said one reindeer.
I will help too,
said a friendly meerkat. The meerkat and the reindeer met with Mr. Jeer.
I am an engineer. I know how to fix the bridge,
said Mr. Jeer.
Great! Please be our overseer, Mr. Jeer,
cheered the meerkat.